Hi class, this video is to show you how to make a combined PDF. So if you take a look at your textbook, the instructions for creating a combined file are actually in the back of the book. You just haven't gotten to that section yet. So if you look in section 16 of your textbook, and I'm on 16-17, this is the 2017 textbook, so it may change a little bit over time, but the heading is printing a set of drawings. So in order to print a combined set, I'm going to show you the instructions here, but they're only going to work on Delaware Tech campuses. I'm going to go to the big R and I'm going to select print. From here, I'm going to select my PDF writer. So the one at the school is PDF Redirect version 2. And we want to select the properties for this. So we're looking to have an advanced, we want a 24 by 36 layout because these are ArcD size sheets. So we find ArcD, select 24 by 36 and say OK. And then OK again. The next thing you want to do is make sure that this radio button, combine multiple selected view sheets into a single file, is selected. And you have to watch it because sometimes down here when we select the sheets it hops back to this one and you don't want that. So in print range, I'm going to come down to select, I'm going to uncheck views, and then you can see all of my sheets show up. So I'm just going to check all of my sheets. I want all of these to be selected, and I guess I could have just said check all, oh well. And I'm going to say OK. So now it says, do you want to save these settings for use? You can say yes or no. It's just going to save the 24 by 36. I'm going to say no. I'm going to check to make sure this button is still selected, and then I'm also going to hit the setup too, and I just want to make sure that it stayed on the ArcD. And your book's going to provide some additional information about this printing, so make sure that you're checking you're reading through the book as well after you watch this video. I'm going to say OK, and then I'm going to say OK. So now the PDF redirect writer is going to pop up, and there's a lot of stuff on the screen, so it looks slightly intimidating. Over here it's creating the PDFs. Over here it's asking you where you want to save your file. So I'm going to select computer, the Z drive, and then I have a folder called Revit, and I'm going to save it to that folder, and I'm going to name it my final project for Revit. And I'm going to hit save. So now it will save that PDF into that folder, and you can see this is the result. So if I zoom out, you'll see that all of my sheets have been placed on 24 by 36 inch paper. And I don't have drawings on every sheet because I didn't go through and do that. This is just more about showing you how to create the combined set. So this is what you'll do, and then you'll submit this combined set as your final product. Just make sure that you're checking the scale of the drawings and all that information that's in the book so everything is correct. All your drawings should be at the same scale and should be centered on the sheet. Like this shouldn't be happening. If you have any additional questions, just please post them to the Ask the Class discussion board forum.